How I lost 18 kilograms. Lose up to 5 kilograms in just 1 week with these 2 ingredients. You don't need us to tell you that losing weight and keeping it off is hard. About 80% of people who lose weight gain it all back, and sometimes more, within a year, experts say. But understanding why weight loss is so difficult can help you stop beating yourself up over every little setback, and increase your chances of success. It's also important to realize that once you reach your weight loss goal and start eating a little more again, the pounds can come back pretty quickly, so it's smart to increase your calories gradually. But, you shouldn't be worried, because in this post we are going to show you our little secret on how to lose weight fast and effective. So, what you need to do. It's highly important for you to consume bananas with warm water every day. This healthy and effective combination will boost up your metabolism and it will help you lose weight much faster and more efficient, and the most important part is that you will keep that lost weight off. How this diet works? Well, you need to eat 2 bananas and drink 2 glasses of warm water in the morning, on empty stomach. The water should be more hot, than cold. You can eat whatever you want for the other meals, but it's also extremely important for you not to eat anything after 6 p.m. You can eat banana and drink glass of warm water as a substitute for a between meal snack. It's highly recommended for you to avoid eating candies and sugary stuff, and replace them with bananas with some warm water. Note: make sure you drink at least 2 liters of water every day. Well, that's it folks. If you have any questions or comments, just post them in the comments section below, and please share this post with your friends and family. Thank you. How I lost 22 pounds with this weird lemon diet in just 2 weeks. This weird, but extremely effective lemon diet is very simple. But, it can be really hard for some people. You need to drink a mixture of lemon juice and water, every day on empty stomach, immediately after you wake up. This lemon diet has 2 extremely important health benefits. It detoxifies your entire organism, and the second is, it helps you lose the excess weight. All you have to do is follow these easy and simple instructions for 2 weeks, and your body will be detoxified and you will lose weight. Lemon diet. Just follow these simple steps. First day, juice of 1 lemon mixed with 1 cup of plain water. Second day, juice of 2 lemons mixed with 2 cups of plain water. Third day, juice of 3 lemons mixed with 3 cups of plain water. Fourth day, juice of 4 lemons mixed with 4 cups of plain water. Fifth day, juice of 5 lemons mixed with 5 cups of plain water. Sixth day, juice of 6 lemons mixed with 6 cups of plain water. Seventh day, juice of 3 lemons mixed with 10 cups of plain water. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and drink the mix during the day. 8th day, juice of 6 lemons mixed with 6 cups of plain water. 9th day, juice of 5 lemons mixed with 5 cups of plain water. 10th day, juice of 4 lemons mixed with 4 cups of plain water. 11th day, juice of 3 lemons mixed with 3 cups of plain water. 12th day, juice of 2 lemons mixed with 2 cups of plain water. 13th day, juice of 1 lemon mixed with 1 cup of plain water. 14th day, juice of 3 lemons mixed with 10 cups of plain water. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and drink the mix during the day. Well, now when you have all the instructions needed, let me tell you how you need to consume this mixture. This lemon juice, water mixture should be consumed all at once, but if you have any difficulties in drinking it all at once, then you can drink as much as you can, and leave the rest of the mixture for later. But, you need to make sure you drink the rest of the mixture 1 hour before your meal. This weird, lemon diet is not recommended for people who have gastrointestinal problems. But, if you have excess weight, which you want to get rid of and you wish to detoxify your organism in all natural way, then, this is the right diet for you. We really hope you enjoyed this post and please share it with your friends and family. Thanks.